Okay, this video is on analytics, and what are these numbers right here, and what do they mean in these arrows? So if you take a look at this and you put your cursor on here and you click on it, it brings up a little box. And as you can see, this tells you that you had one video published, Jerry's third trip to the dentist. Now if I click on this, it's going to bring me to the analytical page for that specific video. And then if I want to get back, I just click up here. So let's go ahead and just take a look. 3 videos published here. If I go to each one, it highlights it, gives me another box to the side which tells you the name of the video, or the full name. And you can go right down and look all the way, the date that it was published and how many videos were published. If there's just one little arrow there, that's one video. And here's I was working those days. And there's one with 5. So if you click on that, brings up a little a line there, and you can see we can go through these and just take a look at them. Let's see where this one is. Let's take a look at this one. So that's the analytics for that specific video, Jerry's trip to the dentist for evaluation. So you get 1,400 views. Made $1.68 on it last month. Not a lot of money, but not bad. Better than a poke in the eye with a sharp stick. Alright, and that's how you use these specific boxes underneath your revenue or view chart, whatever this is. As you can see, we start out pretty good, and a little dip, then we get a pop, then we get a dip, then we get a pop, then we get a dip, then we get a pop, and then bam, hitting 8,169 here, 5 days, 16 hours, and then a little bit of a drop. So it's always up and down, but the trend is up. That's what we want. We want to see continuation of that, and that's what we've been seeing for the last 4 months with the channel. Alright, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on YouTube, Video Manager and Studio Beta, and Creative Studio.